Okay, y'all really do be struggling uploading the reflections, so I'm going to make a little tutorial on how to do it really quickly. I've added a new tab onto the general page, so you should see like where you take your attendance here, and then you're going to go over to self-grading reflection. If you don't see it on the other tabs, it should be at the end, and there's a whole another tab for it now, dedicated just to this. Do not edit it here though. Don't start typing here. You want to have your own copy of it. This is a shared document, so you want to have your own copy. File, save as. You want to go to save as. And you want to save an online copy, because I realize not everybody has Word now, so you can just always copy it online, and you want to change it to your name. So self-reflection, and I would write my name, or you would write your name here, and save it to a folder that you can get to later. So you want to save it in a folder where you can get back to it. I'm going to save it in my documents folder. Save. Once you go there, you go to that folder and open it back up, then you can edit it online. And once you finish editing it, once you finish reflecting, at the bottom, if it'll load, there we go. At the bottom, you should see now a place for you to upload it online all together. So if you're having trouble uploading it, you can just go here. So you're going to click on this link. It's going to take you to a folder. I'm going to go to that folder. Once I've finished editing and saved it, I'm going to click, see it'll say self-grading reflections. I'm going to click new, file upload. I'm going to go find that document again. Whoopsie, you got to make sure you save it in the right place. See, this can happen to you too. If you always go to quick access, then it will go to your most recent, and then you're going to upload it there. There you go. That's all you need to do. Once you've added in your reflections and done your final scores, and you just upload it into this folder. Hopefully that was helpful.